Honeywell X8S Smart Thermostat Review and Installation Guide. Is it worth switching to? In this video, I'm going to review the Honeywell Home X8S Smart Thermostat, show you how to install and set it up, and help you decide whether it's worth upgrading your current thermostat. The X8S is a premium smart thermostat built around a large 5-inch color touchscreen. Beyond controlling heating and cooling, it supports modern smart home platforms including Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Apple Home, and Matter, giving you plenty of flexibility when adding it to an existing smart home system. One of its standout features is compatible video doorbell integration. You can view a live feed from supported Ring and First Alert video doorbells directly on the thermostat display. You also get customizable screen options, remote room sensor support, scheduling, presence-based controls, and remote management through the First Alert app. Now let's install it. Before touching any thermostat wiring, switch off power to your heating and cooling equipment at the breaker. Remove your existing thermostat carefully, but before disconnecting anything, take a clear photo of the wiring and label every wire according to its terminal. Never rely only on wire colors. Next, remove the old wall plate and install the X8S Universal Wall Plate, or UWP. Feed the labeled wires through the opening and secure the plate to the wall. Now connect each wire to its corresponding terminal according to your original wiring and Honeywell's instructions. The X8S requires a C-wire to power its display. If your system doesn't already have one, Honeywell supports a compatible C-wire adapter for certain installations. Once the wiring is complete, double-check every connection against the photo you took earlier. Then align the X8S with the wall plate and firmly snap it into position. Restore power at the breaker. The thermostat will start its setup process and automatically detect the connected wiring. Follow the questions displayed on screen to confirm your HVAC configuration. You can perform setup directly on the thermostat or use the First Alert app. Next, connect the thermostat to Wi-Fi and configure your preferred temperature schedule, smart home integrations, and compatible room sensors. Here's a pro tip: don't guess when dealing with HVAC wiring. Heat pumps, conventional systems, multi-stage equipment, and accessory configurations can use different terminal arrangements. If your wiring doesn't clearly match Honeywell's installation instructions, stop and contact an HVAC professional. Incorrect wiring or configuration can damage equipment or create a safety risk. So is the Honeywell X8S worth switching to? If you want a premium touchscreen, Matter support, room sensor compatibility, smart home integration, remote controls, and useful extras like compatible video doorbell viewing, the X8S is a compelling upgrade. Recent independent testing has also praised its large customizable display and broad smart home functionality. However, if you only need basic scheduling and phone-based temperature control, a cheaper smart thermostat can probably accomplish everything you need. Overall, the Honeywell X8S makes the most sense for someone who wants their thermostat to become a more capable part of their smart home ecosystem, rather than simply controlling the temperature. If you found this review and installation guide helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which smart thermostat you want me to review next.